MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Have you ever been stuck on the side of the road with your car saying, nope, not today? It's stressful, maybe even a little scary, but I've got good news for you. With the right tools and a little prep, you can take control of the situation. There is a must-have toolkit to keep you roadside safe and get you moving again. Safety first, always. If your car starts acting up, turn on your hazard lights immediately so that others know that you're in distress. Pull over safely, far from traffic, find the shoulder or a parking lot, or even better, a side street if you can. If it's dark or foggy, look for a location that has lights. Use reflective triangles or flares or a reflective vest to make you more visible. And don't leave your car unless it's absolutely necessary for you to go. Essentials for your toolkit, well, they start with jumper cables or a portable jump starter. A dead battery is super common, and jumper cables, well, they can save the day. Just remember, red is to positive and black is to negative. Even better, that portable jump starter, no second car is required provided that it is fully charged up. So make sure you have a habit of checking your portable charger. Because low tire pressure can lead to blowouts, a portable compact tire inflator or one that plugs into your car gets your tires back in shape fast. It is perfect for slow leaks. A simple but powerful must-have is a flashlight. It helps you to see what you're doing, and it helps others to see you, especially at night. Because bumps and scrapes can happen, well, a first aid kit with bandages, wipes, and gauze are always great to have on hand. Duct tape and zip ties, this is a necessity in your kit. It really can fix almost anything in a pinch. Think loose panels, hanging fender, broken side view mirrors, and cracked hoses. And if you can't fix it yourself, call for help. Have your roadside assistance information saved in your phone so you're ready when you need it. There you go. Your quick guide to staying safe and prepared. Remember, stay calm, stay visible, stay smart. With the right tools in your trunk, you're never truly stranded. If you've got any questions or comments, reach out to us right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.